Hi guys, we're here at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay because we're gonna meet our Ninang Jeng again, okay? And Ninang Sai and the family are the friends of my mother, no? Okay.
Wala po ticket? Wala pong ticket? Iyan na lang. Exit na? Ah, okay. Thank you.
Alright, so yeah. We are here at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Kasi nilakad lang nila ang Seda. Before she goes back to Greenland, we're gonna meet her. Alright.
Can you help me look for a place to park?
Yeah, I think try B2. Try mo sa B2, parang mas maganda rin, may space.
Nag-right na ako eh. Let's wait na lang. If not, let's go to B2.
Okay, no problem with that.
Parang ang daming nag-aabang. I think we go to B2 na nga. Tama.
Sige.
You're right.
Sige, B2.
Did you see a PWD parking?
I do not know, but I think that one is something, whatever.
Okay, shall we go to B2?
Yeah.
Your mom. We can go to B2.
Gonna find the parking. Said the parking is here. Turn right lang.
Wow, it's puno.
Grabe, bakit kaya puno yung parking? Ayan. Pero may magpa-park pala, oh.
Yeah, we can use the other one. You know, the other car. Yes, we are lucky. There's another parking over there.
Yeah. Alright, so I have to end this video. Next video na lang ulit tayo, guys. I'll see you again.